Are you ready to supercharge your IT skills and get up to speed with Docker containers? Azure Container Instances, ACI, is a service that allows you to run containers on Azure without managing virtual machines, and it's vital for the modern developer's toolkit. Let's break down how ACI can elevate your container game and why it's the right choice for many tech-savvy professionals and freshers alike. Imagine you are running a web application that requires consistent data isolation. Docker provides the perfect environment to run and manage your application in isolated environments. The problem is you need quick, on-demand scaling as app traffic fluctuates. With Docker Containerized, you bring this flexibility on Azure. Suddenly, you have a scalable solution that adapts quickly to changes in load without worrying about VM configurations or managing extra hardware. But how exactly does ACI work with Docker? Here are 3 key technical points you need to hit the ground running. 1. Low latency inbound connections. Docker containers in Azure can leverage Azure Virtual Network for secure and low-latency inbound connections from users without complex VPN configurations. Practical example: deploy your Node.js backend and frontend on different containers and set them to communicate securely. When a user accesses your app, they're immediately connected to the nearest Docker container instance with minimal delay. 2. Fast on-demand scaling. Azure's auto-scaling feature dynamically adjusts the number of active containers in response to the load. Practical example: during peak hours, your e-commerce site experiences a traffic surge. ACI detects this and starts a new container for your shopping cart application, seamlessly increasing capacity without manual intervention. 3. No container logs limitation. By running Docker on Azure, you can utilize Azure Monitor and Azure Log Analytics to track logs and metrics across containers with ease, providing detailed insights without the ban.